Where does the name for Pantasaph come from? So today I'm in a small village called Pantasaph in Flintshire. It's just outside Trefynnon or Holywell. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down. First we have Pant. Now Pant is ultimately from the Proto-Celtic word quantios, which meant a flat hill, but in modern Welsh means a depression or a hollow. And then we have Asaph. Now, Asaph is the name of a saint who's associated also with Llanelwy, that's Saint Asaph, and also Llanasa, the parish of Saint Asaph, just in the north of Flintshire. Now, exactly what it is that Saint Asaph was doing here 1,500 years or so, nobody's entirely sure. Maybe he lived here or preached here, but even today, actually, the place is associated with religion. Now, Dinas Basing, or Basingwerk Abbey, used to own quite a lot of the land up here, but after the dissolution of the monasteries, it was all sold off. And it's only recently that the land has been used again for religious purposes, because it's on the Pilgrim's Trail. And actually, as you can see behind me, there's a St David's Church and a Franciscan friary. So the name literally means the hollow of St Asaph. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.